Unlocking Your True Potential by Rav Dror is now available. This book takes you on a journey of self-discovery that can change your life. Every human being has the divine potential within, waiting to be revealed and discovered. Yet, most of the world has been disconnected from their souls and have never discovered the secrets within themselves. It is in our hands to be brave enough to look within ourselves and reveal our divine potential. Unlocking Your True Potential is a guide from Rav Dror on how to connect with the divine within. This book is a guide to help you understand yourself better and gives you the knowledge on how to unleash your greatest divine potential. Grab your copy of Unlocking Your True Potential today. May the Creator bless you always.